Hello, my name's the Old Mechanic. Still busy on the BMW F800GT. What I'm gonna do today? Get this stupid plastic thing off, drill holes in the number plate with nice stainless steel Torx. And what I saw was that this rear light is filthy on the inside. Gonna get it off, that's easy. Clean that in the meantime too. Only has 2 Phillips screws. Over here is his brother, 2. Take it off, yeah. As you can see, a lot of filth in here, and this is perhaps give that mirror thing a clean too. Here is sand. Got 2 tiny holes. If there's water inside, it can leak out. Simple. This thing off. There. It took me a while. As you know by now, watching perhaps more of my videos, I never settle for good enough. Nope, always go for perfection. And I hate it when I see motorcycles when their number plate is not nicely on their bikes. Not for me. So, it's perfectly now. Got nice stainless steel torque bolts, locking nuts on the rear side, a bit of W40. That's much better, I think. I'm sure. Carefully I'm gonna clean it, but you have to be very careful for that mirror. That's much better. Yep. Okay. Now guys, as you probably can see, let's show it, there are some minor scratches over the ears, and there's a spot. Perhaps you can see it over there. Yeah, now you can see it. And over there too. See? Can't live with it. Nope. I'm gonna polish it. And I'm gonna show you how I am going to do that. That's easy. This is what we call commandant. 4. It has a number, and that's the grind, the grit of it. and it's polish. This can is perhaps 40 years old. I need only a tiny bit. First, you can see it's all rusted, but open it and then give it a good it's a long time since I used it. It's all watery stuff on top, but now we take just a tiny bit and I'm gonna show you. This is a bit dull top. Okay, you can also hear it. It's sort of sanding, polishing. Still hear it. Okay, now. Oh, godverdomme. Can take paper. The best is a claw. Hey, I got a good one. Wait. Getting too old. Mechanic. Got a brand new t-shirt. No, brand new. Now, as you see, it's already becoming white. And then you give it a good rub. I think this is too deep, but gonna give it another try, just for the fun. Time enough. Time enough. More time than money. Needs to be a bit, yeah, dry, whitish. Then, see? Holy shit. What? Whoa. Then I got another sort of polish. It is Valma quick polish. Don't use wax, and always be careful. If you use it too often, you polish off your paint. So be careful if you do dull paint with it. So now let's see if this is a bit less rough, aggressive. No, it's not aggressive. Well, in a way it is. Put a bit on top and then stuff is a bit more. Wait, I don't know, a piece. Okay. Now I'm gonna give it wow. Now guys, just give it a look. Almost new, but it's still seven years old. It's from 2014, I think. Now we're gonna do this one too. See, it's somewhat dull. We're gonna polish that one too. Anyway, now we do it with the commandantie. Now, well done. So let's see, there is no white stuff. Nope. Then we're gonna take, I got my two screws. I give them a tiny bit of grease so they run in better into the plastic. As you might see, always be very careful with plastic, because before you know, you screw it way too tight and it breaks, cracks. See, goes in easy now, because I did a tiny bit of lube. Yes, now give it again a quick. So, well, all good things come to an end. Also this BMW F800GT, I'm gonna miss it. It's a nice bike. I loved wrenching on it, doing all the maintenance. Everything is good, accessible. So now we're going to check the light, if there is any improvement. Let's see. Looks good.